You've learned the pieces. Now let's put plans, favors, respect, and promises into real Korean conversations. 주말에 뭐 할까요? What shall we do this weekend? 같이 영화 볼까요? Shall we watch a movie together? 좋아요, 봅시다. Sounds good, let's. 제가 표를 사줄게요. I'll buy the tickets for us. 그럼 저는 팝콘을 살게요. Then I'll buy the popcorn. Notice how the plan becomes a promise to the group. 이 문법이 어렵네요. Wow, this grammar is hard. 제가 가르쳐 줄까요? Shall I teach you? 네, 가르쳐 주세요. Yes, please teach me. 알겠어요. 천천히 설명해 줄게요. Okay, I'll explain it slowly for you. 선생님께서 책을 읽어주셨어요. The teacher read the book to us. 저는 선생님께 커피를 사드렸어요. I bought the teacher a coffee. With a friend, 같이 가자. 내가 살게. Let's go together. I'm buying. The casual forms change, but the social move remains. One verb, 6 social moves. 도와줬어요. Friend helped me. 도와드렸어요. I helped grandmother. 도와주셨어요. Teacher helped me. 도와줄게요. I'll help you. 도와줄까요? Shall I help you? 도와주세요. Please help me. Now assemble earlier grammar with today's lesson. 비가 오는데 우산이 없으면 제가 빌려줄게요. It's raining and if you don't have an umbrella, I'll lend you one. 한국어를 같이 공부할까요? Shall we study Korean together? 저희가 도와줄게요. We'll help you. This is the whole series in one promise, action directed toward people. For you, 주다. With respect, 드리다 and 주시다. Shall we, 가요? Let's, 시다 and 자. I promise, 게요. Replay the weekend plan in one breath. 뭐 할까요? 같이 볼까요? 표를 사줄게요. And 팝콘을 살게요. Replay the paver. 어렵네요. 가르쳐 줄까요? 가르쳐 주세요. And 설명해 줄게요. Reaction, offer, request, and promise. Now connect. Replay the respect direction. The teacher helps the learner with 주시다, and the learner serves the teacher with 드리다. The 6 moves are not 6 unrelated endings. They are one social action viewed as fact, humble favor, honorific favor, promise, offer, or request. In 비가 오는데 우산이 없으면 제가 빌려줄게요. 는데 sets the scene. 으면 sets the condition. 빌려주다 gives the favor and 게요 seals the promise. 한국어를 같이 공부할까요? Asks for a shared next step. It combines the togetherness of 같이 with the decision of 가요. 저희가 도와줄게요 means we'll help you. The promise points outward toward the learner listening now. When Korean moves between people, ask what action is being gifted, who receives it, whether respect changes direction, and whether the group is deciding together. You started by learning to color a sentence with feeling. Now you can offer, agree, and promise the moves that turn correct Korean into a friendship.